Hey y'all, this is Dutch again. I'm at it once again. I'm out here walking around, just doing my daily thing, taking care of the animals, moving some wood around, getting ready for winter. And sure enough, it just rained this morning. And look at this. Look how massive these are already. Some of my favorite mushrooms right here. I believe these are oyster mushrooms. I say they're my favorite, then I say they're oyster mushrooms. They are oyster mushrooms. You can tell, look, just see how they're growing in a shelf-like. And then the color of them, and they got those gills underneath it. See that right there? They're long all the way down to the base. That's how you can tell. It's kind of like more of a chicken texture to them when you cook them. They're pretty good when you saute them up. I like them. So this log right here is going to be a producer for me of oyster mushrooms. I'm going to keep this whole log now. This is over here in my wood pile. Must have picked up some spores blowing through the air. And now I got myself just a massive mushroom. I love living out in the country, y'all. Get to see amazing things like that. Look how beautiful that is. Just beautiful. Look at that. And that's every bit the size of my hand, y'all. You just can't tell. Look, I put my hand up there. Here's my hand. And there's the mushrooms. Look at that. Ooh, that's some big mushrooms. Look at that one. Look at these. Give you an idea. So that's some good eating right there. Here's a little short for y'all. Like, subscribe. Until the next one.